Hello and welcome back, friends. So, here comes the second problem statement of our Python programming series. So, this time we are going with the Caesar Cipher. So, as you know, this is one of the well-known encoding and decoding technique used by Julius Caesar. So, that's why this is basically known as Caesar Cipher because it was named after Julius Caesar. So, what's the problem statement? It's like write a program to accept a string from the user, write functions to encode and decode the string, use simple Caesar cipher format for encoding and decoding. So first of all, let's try and see what is encoding. So encoding the string. To encode a string, take any number from the user, use that number as an encoding key. When encoding the given message, use the following technique. Now let's try and understand that Caesar cipher is one of the well-known but very simple kind of encoding and decoding technique. What it uses is, in this case, you will accept a string message from the user, which is generally, we can say, a set of alphabets or a series of alphabets, and each of these alphabets, they are encoded by using some cipher. So we use a key, a numeric key, and based upon that particular key, we encode the message. So how that particular thing happens? So encoded, each character in the given string is modified by that particular key. So how it is to be modified? Encoded character is equals to original character plus key. For example, if our key is 2, then we will replace each character, each letter in the message by the next second letter in the alphabet series. Try to understand alphabet series. So for example, if in the message the letter is A will be replaced by next second letter, that is B, C, by C. If it is B, will be replaced by D. If it is C, it is replaced by E, and so on. All right. So on the same note, when you reach at the end positions for Y, you will replace Y by A and Z by B. Try to understand if the strings or if the characters are Y, it is to be replaced by A. If it is Z, it is to be replaced by B. You have to circle back into the alphabet list. Okay. Second, decoding the string, it is just simply opposite of encoding. And in case of decoding, you will use the same key which was used for encoding. So if for encoding we have used key as 2, for decoding as well, we will use the same key. So decoded character is equals to encoded character minus the key. So if our key was 2, so we will use previous characters in this particular case. Okay, we will use the previous characters in this particular case. Okay, so if it is Y, it will be W. If it is Z, it will be X. All right. So this is how you have to replace. So let's see an example. So string, the war has begun. The key is 2 and the encoded message is like this. Okay. VJG space YCT space JCU space DGIWP, and the same message was retrieved back in the decoded string. You have to keep the spaces as it is. Thank you.